Okay, here we have a couple central air conditioning units at a commercial place nearby my town that I've never filmed at before. Here we have a carrier unit right here. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. And it actually has a suction accumulator too, even though I don't think it's a heat pump. Yeah, I don't think this is a heat pump. Yeah, there's no reversing valve inside, so I don't think this is a heat pump. This is from 1999, and it's a 5-ton. And I guess this unit's probably a 10-seer. I don't know. And yeah, this is just a straight cool unit. And then here's this Daikin unit. I would guess this unit probably replaced a carrier just like that one right there. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. This is from 2017, and this is a 5-ton, 13-seer, I think. And it would appear that there actually had been a unit here before, because there's a cutoff line set here. But nothing replaced it, it would appear. But yeah, just thought I'd make a quick video of these two units. Okay, here are two more carrier units on the other side of the place. And this one also has a suction accumulator. Pretty interesting. And the data's faded on that one. But I guess it's probably the same year, same tonnage as the one on the other side. And I think that one's the same thing too. Okay, here's the last unit of the place. Here we have a Sanyo ductless inverter unit. And there's the data for it. But yeah, just like a quick video of all the units at this place. Anyways, thanks for watching.